Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington State Department of Health. A deadly gas has been accidentally released into the air from the nuclear power plant, and has been spreading all across the county of Pierce and across the rest of the state. Do not go outside, close all doors and windows, turn off all heating and air conditioning systems, and put duct tape or other sources to seal up cracks. This is a shelter-in-place warning. I repeat, this is a shelter-in-place warning.